Hey guys, welcome back to my channel everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I know I have not been consistent on this channel. For those who know me very closely are aware that I had a small hair crack on my leg. So many videos and many trips have been cancelled on the way. So today is the day where I will be going somewhere a little far away from Pune, and it's almost 3:35 in the morning, and the temperature is reported to be around 12 degrees Celsius. So, and I just checked the place where I'm going right now, the temperature is around 8 degrees. So, hope it's not too cold on the way, and see you on the road. Bye. But most importantly, having a cup of tea in the morning is more important than this. Along with it, I will be carrying some chocolates, 2 or 3 chickies, and one rehydration pack of cereal. That's all I will be carrying for the day. So see you guys on the road. The place where I secretly keep my bicycle. It's in another house. I just have to mount my headlights. The GoPro stand on the helmet is already mounted. So, and I think the chain needs a little lubrication. It's not in a good state. So I generally prefer to lube the chain wherever I go. It's a 3M lube chain. It's actually a foam, so it's ready to go. Hi friends, we are finally at Law College Road, Barista Cafe. This is my friend Swapnil. Hello. And further we will be going ahead. The final destination is not yet decided, so let's move. So here we enter into the Lonavala toll naka. This is the final toll naka, and as of for the moment Lonavala will be our final destination. So we will not be wandering over here in Lonavala. We will just be having some breakfast and we will be leaving back for Pune. So see you in Lonavala. Thus finally we have reached the Orchid Hotel. That marks our entry into Lonavala city, and this will be the last destination for the day. We had already earlierly decided to have a stop at Dehu Road, then further we extended it to Kanefata, and finally we have done Lonavala. So approximately we decided to do Lonavala, which is around 73 kilometers from my place. Our target time was around 2 hours 30 minutes, but nevertheless we did it in 3 hours. The time right now is 7:40 and we started at around 5:10. So finally reached Lonavala. Just searching for Swapnil. I think he has gone further ahead. Completing Pune-Lonavala in less than 3 hours approximately. It's a good target to be done after a big gap of almost 3 months. First time out of Pune city. Very excited, very enthusiastic. Looking for something to have breakfast, and we will be going back immediately. We will not be spending the whole day in Lonavala as we both of us have office today and we will be logging in. So let me search first where Swapnil is and see you soon.